We are at Dollywood for a special event, Sandy.
Yeah, it's a media event for that new attraction that's coming.
There's been so many rumors and guesses as to what it is, and today is the official announcement. Let's go inside on this special Adventure That Rocks.
We've been waiting a long time for this.
We sure have.
Now, Cora was digging around in an old chest, and she found this book, The Legend of Secret Lake. It tells all about the magic that makes the Great Smoky Mountains special, and how Secret Lake provides the beautiful glow to the wildwood tree and all the creatures and plants that grow in the moonlight.
We think we're getting closer to finding the lake.
Yeah. Take a look at this.
As the sun sets, the Great Smoky Mountains stir. For some, night brings rest. For others, it sparks adventure. The time is coming. A family's quest will unearth a journey only few have seen. A place so mesmerizing, only those brave enough to dive into the darkness will illuminate a world of wonder. From the creators that brought you Wild Eagle, Lightning Rod, and Big Bear Mountain comes the single most ambitious adventure Dollywood has ever imagined. Introducing NightFlight Expedition, the first ride of its kind in the world. 4 thrilling adventures in one attraction. Soar off the Smokies. Plunge into whitewater rapids. Climb majestic mountain peaks. And dare to navigate beyond the familiar. Deep into the heart of the night. And discover the light. The time is near. Are you ready to see what happens when the sun goes down? NightFlight Expedition. Coming 2026. Only at Dollywood.
Love in the moment.
It's me. I know, and I'm here, and you're there, and you're wondering why that is? Well, I had a little problem. I had a kidney stone, which caused me a lot of problems. Turned out to give me an infection, and the doctor said, you don't need to be traveling right this minute, so you need a few days to get better. So he suggested I not go to Dollywood today, but I'm there with you in spirit, and I was looking so forward to it, because for the last 3 years, Eugene, the team, and I have been working on this wonderful NightFlight Expedition. And it's something they tell me that there's nothing like it in the whole wide world. Certainly not in East Tennessee. They say it's the most expensive thing we've ever done, so that'll be good. I usually don't ride rides, but this one sounds so magical. I might just check that one out. But seriously, I did want to say again, I'm sorry that I can't be there in person, but you had a great time today, and I know that Eugene is going to tell you all about this. They got great things to show you on the screen, so you just enjoy it and know that I'll be back just quick as I can. Don't worry about me, I'm going to be okay. Just can't do it today.
Now that we've heard all the details about the new attraction coming to Dollywood in 2026, where can we see construction? I want to check it out, Sandy.
The train.
Check out these
Dollywood Express.
and check out these clips.
Our fireman Caleb, and he's the guy responsible for getting us all up here today by hand shoveling coal into the firebox. This engine is operated the same way today as it was when she was first built in 1943. On a busy day, Klondike City will burn up to 5 tons of coal, drink up 5,000 gallons of water, and pull about 5,000 passengers up the mountain and back. And here at Dollywood, we're proud of our engines and the crews who operate them. Hope you all enjoy riding behind them just as much as we do.
she's absolutely right. We are committed to making Dollywood the #1 family attraction and destination, a world-class destination. And to have world-class storytelling, it takes a commitment to innovation.
Our goal is to make Dolly's dreams come true, and this attraction, no doubt, 40 years from today, will continue to tell Dolly stories for generations to come.
Yeah, and you might ask why we're not showing you everything on the ride as we make this announcement.
The ride is all about the search of discovery, and we really want you all to experience it in person. And although it's time for us to go now, we want you to be able to see the trailer one more time. But let's make sure that we scream for Dolly, because I know all of you know this is being recorded, so let's show her good support. And I'll see you all out on park. Thanks for coming.
I am so excited. 2026 can't get here soon enough.
I sure can. A one-of-a-kind experience in the United States coming here to Dollywood, and we are so excited.
I can't believe it. This looks like an amazing attraction. If you haven't hit that like and subscribe yet,
What you waiting for?
because you really never know where we're going to end up next. However, you can always be sure if it has anything to do where you can dream more, be more, we're going to make it an adventure that rocks. See you real soon.